Oh, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be installing some Swaybars for this Kia Stinger. We're gonna be installing these Arc Performance Swaybars, and to make it like a race car for sure. Alright guys, if you don't know how to take out these Stinger wheels or the center cap, you just gotta find the eye of the Kia. You just go underneath there. You just pry it up. So, inside there should be like a little groove compared to other ones. This one is where the eye is. That's it. Alright guys, to take off the rear sway bar, you're gonna have to loosen the 17, and then there's two 14s inside there you're gonna have to take out right there, and then you have to do the same thing on the other side, and then the rear sway bar should come out. That's it guys, that's how you take it out. Looks like the same thing. This thing's heavier. This one. Cool. So that's it. Guys, for the front, you're gonna have to take off the wheel, and then it looks like you're gonna have to take off undercover. So we're gonna cut to that scene right now. All right, guys, for the front, you're gonna have to take off right here, and then these two bolts here, and then the same thing on this side. These two bolts, and then this one, and then it comes out. Pretty straightforward. that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, all that YouTube famous stuff if you want to see more content about this stuff. Alright, I'll see you till the next one. Peace.